It is time to show y'all the August mystery, and it is so gorgeous. This has already shipped. If you are looking to purchase it, you'll have to check out the buy sell trade group because it is no longer being offered. If you sign up for the mystery next month, you will get a different mystery kit. It always is exclusive art, so you won't find this art anywhere else. So let's go ahead and get into it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Here she is. It takes me very back to like OG planning with the like celestial vibes, but I've been wanting to do a celestial kit for a while. So let's go ahead and flip on through this kit here. So let me show you, and I'll show you the foil last. So here are the full boxes. Let me give you the close-up and exclusive Kittenish Jess art, of course. And how stinking gorgeous is this? It gives me very like January vibes, but also could be very November or like an alternative Halloween art. It's just so stinking pretty. I love how dark and like moody it is. These colors are excellent. Lots of deco here. Love these boxes. I'm trying to give y'all more close-ups. You have like the wall hangings and this gorgeous globe. And then you have this, which this is why this is added in here, because these boxes had like a little sliver of the blue. You could definitely still use it if you're going to use like a character or something on it, but I figured we'll just add in that since it was our mistake. So that will come in all the ultimate kits because that's the only kit that has this page. It's so gorgeous here. Ugh, I'm so obsessed with everything. It's just excellent and perfect. The bottom washi, this scene here is so stinking pretty. I love it. Oh, it's just so good. And I love these like very rich, deep colors. You have the extra color there and the doodles, along with the fashion options here, a tall fashion box, a box here that'll be perfect for a quote. And then I wanted to add an extra, so you have even more fashion box options. They are just so stinking gorgeous. I needed to add an extra set of them in there. So that, my friends, is the August mystery. And then let me show you the foil bundle here. So this is in a sparkly hollow, and it's the sparkly hollow stars, which I think will go really, really perfect with this. You have the 2 sheets with the full boxes and the glitter header overlays, the 2 sheets of the star bougie, along with the newer icon sheet, the scripts, along with the fancy headers, deco, date numbers, and the bottom washi. And that, my friends, is the collection. I think it pairs perfectly with this, but also you could use this with any kit and switch in any foil that you want. And I just think it's so stinking gorgeous. And then let me go ahead and show you the mini kit. The mini kit here is our more affordable option. So this has the full boxes, the same deco page, the same glitter header page. This is the mini kit exclusive page, same bottom washi, and then the extra in here is the label sampler along with the extra color. And then there is a little matte freebie in here of sparkly hollow matte boxes. And that is everything for this month. Again, if you are looking for this kit, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group to see if anybody is selling or trading theirs. And that is everything for this month, and I will talk to you in my next video.